Hi there. Today we're going to talk about how to create a post on your classroom stream to post at a later time and date. So today is Sunday and we're returning back from spring break tomorrow, and I know it's going to be a crazy morning, so I want to make sure I get a post out without forgetting. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here and create an announcement just like I would normally. Then write my message to my students. And then select the topic that I want to categorize as post. It's going to be under my animal studies. And instead of clicking post, I'm going to select the drop-down menu and select schedule. That's going to give me the option to pick a later time and date. So I'm going to select Monday, and the time is going to post is 8:30. You can always change it. I'm going to keep it at 8:30. That's when my first group arrives. And click schedule. And then on your stream, you will see saved post, and it'll show the message that you have typed and then when it's going to post. And that's how you create a post to post at a later date on your Google Classroom.